What's up, everyone? Just doing an update on the truck build so far. Got some work done today. Got our transmission tail housing blasted, clean, and primed. Prime set up. Got color on there now, nice and fresh. It's looking good. Then over here we got the main housing cleaned up and cleaned out and painted. Bought a new bell housing because I found my old one has a crack in it and I couldn't find the matching bell housing. I'm not sure exactly what this is from, as it has this weird area for the shift fork versus everything else I was seeing just had the cutout for a boot. And then I discovered that the cost of a hydraulic throwout bearing is about the cost of replacing the shift fork and everything, linkage for it. So we will be doing a hydraulic throwout bearing upgrade on here, just because it seems cost effective and more reliable, probably better performance. But yeah, so we got all the housings painted now for that, so get rebuilt. Went through our bearing and seal kit here. It seems it has everything. It even has this little bearing that I didn't think it had. It has this one as well, which I'm pretty sure in my teardown video I think I said it didn't have that, but it does. So we got everything there. I broke my input shaft thing on accident, and I was trying to get this race out of here to go ahead and replace that race. And broke that, so I'll just get a new one. It's fine. It'll save me some time blasting that clean, so it's whatever. Here's the old throwout bearing. Nice and rough, and then the shift fork is not looking great either. Nor is the pin. So yeah, that's how we're just going to do a hydraulic throwout bearing, which essentially the kit, let me set this up here. Essentially, a kit comes with a stud that will replace one of the bolts, and then it indexes on that stud, and it has a module that sits here. Not module, it's not electronic, but there's a chunk of it sits there, and it has hydraulic lines running to it, and then the whole thing just kind of pushes out for your throwout bearing, and it comes with shims and stuff to put down here to get a proper engagement and everything. It seems like a really cool kit. I'll have to do a video over that once I get it. But yeah, so that's about it for the truck build so far. My lights above my workbench died or something. That's an inactive leak that stains from an old leak before I bought this house. Just like these lights are from before I bought this house. So probably be getting some new lights for the workbench. Be nice and bright and see what I'm doing. Yep, finally got some time to be in the garage, so got some stuff going on. I'll be taking video of that bike over there here in a second too.